बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चैप्टर नंबर 7 है इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री। जैसा कि हमने पहले पढ़ा ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शंस, तो आज हम उसकी कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे। सो ऑक्सीडेशन बेसिकली सबसे पहले हम डिफाइन करते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन को। सो व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन? गेनिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज कॉल्ड एज ऑक्सीडेशन। गेनिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, व्हेन सम मटेरियल गेन्स ऑक्सीजन, गेनिंग ऑफ oxygen, gaining of oxygen is called oxidation. Okay, so how can you define oxidation? You can define oxidation by just giving one statement that oxygen, addition of oxygen, gaining of oxygen is called as oxidation. So if you have oxygen gas है, O2 है, oxygen, only oxygen. Okay, good point. Oxygen. So if you have an element like you have iron and you are going to react with this oxygen, okay, iron gain oxygen and makes Fe2O3. How we know that Fe have +3 oxidation state and O have -2 oxidation state? If we exchange these oxidation state, we get Fe2O3, iron oxide. This is what we call iron oxide. Okay, so we have here iron oxide. From where this 2 came? This is from this oxidation state, and this 3 came from this oxidation state +3. So here we have 2 oxygens, so we multiply it with 2. But here is another problem, that there are 3 oxygen and there are only 2 oxygen. So we multiply this with 2. 2 3s are 6. Here are still 2 oxygens, and then we multiply 3 with this oxygen. So oxygens are balanced here. But now still here is a problem, that if we have iron here, and there are 4 number of atoms. There are 4 number of atoms of iron. So you have 2 irons here, you can remove it and then write 4 here. Okay, clear? This is your balancing of equation. I can give you some other examples regarding oxidation reaction. For example, another reaction is Mg plus O2. Okay, magnesium oxide. How it will become magnesium oxide? Mg plus 2, O minus plus 2, so Mg2O2. The answer will be MgO2, and both these will cancel with each other, and the answer will be MgO. Okay, so our answer is MgO. But here you can see that this is O2 and there is only one oxygen. You can multiply this with right side with 2, and here still there are only one magnesium. You can multiply it with 2 also. You will get 2 magnesium atoms react with 1 molecules of oxygen to produce 2 magnesium oxide. Okay, another example is Na react with O2 to produce Na2O. Here you have 2 oxygen still, and here you have only 1 oxygen. You can multiply it with 2, and there are 4 sodium, and sodium becomes 4 in numbers. So you multiply with 4 on the left hand side. So these are some examples of oxidation. When you open sodium in air, you will get Na2O, sodium oxide. If you have magnesium and just you rub magnesium with magnesium with a stone in the air, magnesium will react with oxygen and produce 2 MgO according to this equation. Okay, clear? And if you have iron and if it's just stay in the open environment, what will happen to the iron? Iron will get rusting on itself due to presence of air in the oxygen, due to presence of oxygen in the air. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Oxidation is clear? So these are very simple equations of oxidation reaction. Duster किधर है? Now, okay. So आपने कुछ examples देखी जो कि ऑक्सीडेशन की थी। अब दोबारा से ऑक्सीडेशन की मैं कुछ और एग्जांपल्स करवाऊंगा जो कि बहुत थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं। पहले हमने बहुत इजी देखी थी। सो CH4 रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन, द बर्निंग ऑफ मीथेन गैस इटसेल्फ। मीथेन गैस जो हमारे घरों में आती है, सुई गैस, जब वो बर्न होती है उसका मेजर कंपोनेंट ये मीथेन गैस है। एंड जब वो बर्न होती है तो वो क्या बनाती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर। ओके, सो you have to understand that whenever oxygen react with carbon it produces carbon dioxide। कोई बड़ी, ये हमेशा याद रखें कि कार्बन जब भी जलता है, बर्न होता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनाएगा। जब भी हाइड्रोजन बर्न होगा, वाटर बनाएगा। सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन एंड वाटर विल बी फॉर्म। सो इफ यू प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, हाउ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड? CH4 plus O2. If you react only carbon with oxygen, you will get C4O, C2O4, and if you cancel this, CO2 आ जाएगा. So your answer will be CO2. And how will you get water? Oxygen and hydrogen. This has oxidation state of -2, this has oxidation state of +1, and if you replace this you will get H2O. Okay, ख्याली दुनिया इधर okay, clear? So you will get carbon dioxide and water. Okay, here you have 2 hydrogen, here you have 4 hydrogen, so multiply this 2 with 2. Okay, here you have only 2 oxygen, here you have 2 oxygen, and these 2 oxygen, 2 plus 2 4. On the right hand side you have 4 oxygen, and on the left hand side you have only 2 oxygen, so multiply it with the 2 to balance it. So this is your equation that you have balanced, okay. So another example is aluminum AlH3 plus O2, aluminum trihydride. Okay, you have drawn the diagram of aluminum trihydride in chapter 4. In chapter 4, I think. Yeah. So aluminum hydride react with oxygen to produce Al2O3. As you know that aluminum has oxidation state of +3. I told you in chapter number 4. And oxygen have oxidation state of -2. So if you replace these values, Al2O3, so it will produce Al2O3 plus oxygen and hydrogen and oxygen will react with each other to produce H2O. Okay, so here you have 2 aluminum. Okay, so here you have only 1, so multiply it with 2. Here you have 6 hydrogen, here you have only 3 hydrogen, so multiply it with 3. You have 3 oxygen, 3 and 3, 6, so multiply it with 3 itself. Okay, 3 2s are 6. I think this equation is balanced. There is another problem regarding this one, and that is if you have which one? NaH. If you have sodium hydride and you react sodium hydride with oxygen itself, it will become Na2O. How you will know that this Na react with oxygen to produce Na2O, not NaO, not NaO2? Just by examining their oxidation state. You know that sodium belongs to group 1 and it has +1 oxidation state, and O has O-2 oxidation state because it belongs to group 6A. So if you replace these oxidation state, you will get Na2O. Okay, clear? So and hydrogen react with oxygen is H2O. So here you can see that there are 2 sodium atoms, so multiply this sodium with the 2. Okay, clear? Here you know that there are 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 hydrogens are balanced. There is only 1 oxygen, only 1, and if you add these oxygen atoms, 2 oxygens are balanced, 2. Okay, clear? Anyone has a good doubt here? So पॉज कर दें बेटा।